This video will explain how to edit and change text in our table-based newsletter templates, designs 1A through 1D. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will be using design 1A, which has a mailer on the back page, but these steps will work just as well on design 1B, which has no mailer, design 1C, which is a blank newsletter, and design 1D, which is a black and white version of the blank newsletter. Each design is available in letter or tabloid size, but both sizes function in the same manner. All four variations on Design 1 are built with tables, so it is easy to select and edit type within columns. First, let's begin by changing the letterhead. Just click and drag to highlight the text, then type in your new header. I'm going to type in AC Monthly News. Below the main title are places where you can type in the name of your community, your address, phone number, fax number, and other information, but you can delete as much as you'd like and replace the text with anything you want. If your newsletter has a mailer, as it does in Design 1A, you can change the return and mailing addresses by clicking them, highlighting the text, and typing in your own information. If you print your labels for any of this information, whether it's one of the addresses or mass postage, you can simply click in any of the boxes, then click anywhere on the edge of the box. Do you see how the shape of your selection changed? That means you have the text box itself selected rather than the text inside of it. Now you can hit delete and you're set. Remember, if you delete something you didn't mean to, hit Ctrl-Z on your keyboard or click this button to undo. If you don't want a mailer at all, check out Design 1B instead. Let's move on to editing the articles. Each newsletter template is filled from front to back with articles written by the Activity Connection staff, which you are more than welcome to use, or you can replace them with articles of your own. Just highlight the article you want to replace and hit delete. After you paste in your article, you can adjust the formatting by highlighting sections and using the options at the top of the window, including font, size, alignment, and more. The article that I pasted in is in plain text, so I'm going to center the title, increase the font size, and make it bold. I'm also going to change the font of the body text to size 12 Arial to match the rest of the newsletter. The ability to modify text is one of the biggest advantages of using our newsletters in Microsoft Word format. If you have residents that are visually impaired, you can cut out a few articles and enlarge the text to make it easy for anyone to read. It's important to note that increasing the size of this text pushed the end of the article below the edge of the page. Always double check to make sure that all of your text is visible by either adjusting the size of the font, deleting some text out of the article, or cutting and pasting part of the article into another column, as I have here. If you have extra room on the page and you want your article to be more centered, you can place your cursor in front of the body text of the article and hit enter until it is where you want it. If there is a picture in the way, you can either click it and hit delete to get rid of it, or take a look at some of our other tutorials for more information on how to work with images. That's a quick overview of how to edit and change text in our table-based newsletter templates. Be sure to check out the other videos for more information on our other templates, as well as tips and tricks.